Hello, welcome back to my channel. And I think this is a most requested video so far. I will put the link of everything down in my description. You can check that out. So let's quickly get into the video. About the Numis Campus Ambassador Program. So I was the member of that program for almost 3 to 4 months, and the process is like, firstly you have to fill a form which you will get from the Numis OG or Numis campus or whatever. I will show you over here. From that you will get a pin post, then you can scan the QR and get that form. You can also get it from other influencers referral link. So yeah, that's the first step. Then you have to fill the form. You have to wait. So my respond came, I think, 2 to 3 months. After 2 to 3 months of filling the form, I got the response. They have emailed me. So of course, make sure you check the emails. So they have emailed me about that I have got the chance and my profile is approved and I can join Numi as a campus ambassador. So I think then there was a long format of all the things which you can read once you get in. So not gonna tell that because it's a long format. I don't barely remember right now. So there are all the how much you will get if you bring customers to their website and everything, and if they shop for your from your referral link and everything that will be mentioned. And I think, yeah, then you have to join their WhatsApp groups from the respective number which you have provided. So there are four groups, which is north, south, east, and west. I was in the east group because I was from Kolkata. So it depends upon your location. And then again, you have to wait. I think a week to something like that for them to make you join that group. You have to send a request and you have to wait to let the whoever the admin is to let you enter the group. Then your monthly deliverable starts. So every month you will be offered money which will be transferred to your Numi wallet, maybe 2000. Then you have to shop from that money and create content for them depending upon the theme for that month. And you have to put respective stories, post, and reels depending upon the theme, of course. Whatever they are requiring you to do, you have to complete the deliverables because they will send you a form at the end of the month and they will check you have completed the deliverables or not, and if your content is good for them or not, is it fruiting them or not. Everything they will check at the end of the month, so make sure you complete your deliverables. I did that very rigorously, but my content was not that aesthetic. It didn't had good lighting, it didn't had good background, it didn't had idea, innovation, a lot of things I lacked in that process because I was still learning. I'm still learning though, trying and improving. So yeah, I think if you guys are determined, focus, you can really do well. Then I think I used to make content and order stuff, but I what I feel is they require a lot more bold outfits, a lot more fashionable, trendy, the Gen Z thing. Honestly, I am a Gen Z, but my fashion sense is a more toned down version of Gen Z, and I'm not that bold out there to wear stuff like that because I'm not comfortable. So I think that was one negative thing of mine. And then I think the content was not that good. The video aesthetics were not that good. The outfits were not that great according to the preference which Yumi follow, which is a Gen Z culture and stuff. So it was not that great. I think that's why I was not the member anymore. But if you are good with all sort of things, so you are good to go for it and should apply for it. It's a great opportunity. You can learn a lot, and yeah, you can try and improve. Oh, also one thing, you if you bring customers to their page and if they sign up with your referral link and they shop, you get a certain amount depending upon the number of orders you have given to them. So yeah, you can earn from them also. Yeah, they will directly transfer it to your bank account. Yeah, this is one more thing that can benefit you. And yeah, that's it. I think that's it for the information as far as I know from my knowledge. Yeah, that was all about it. I hope that helps. Do let me know if you want more such videos about barter, paid, collaborations, agencies, and stuff. I'm also learning, so I can share you what I am doing right now, so that it can help you also. And yeah, if you know more such things, and if I'm unaware of anything, do let me know. I'm also learning, and yeah, trying and improving, being focused, stop being lazy. That's a whole different story, whatever. Yeah, I'm also learning right now, so I hope my this much little information is helpful, and I will try and put all the pictures and links down in the description box. And yeah, I hope that helps. Do let me know what kind of videos you want me to make more. And till then, I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Till then, bye. Meet you guys in my next video.